Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program to print even and odd label with each and every even and odd number. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. Let me first write the output of this program. Now when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter the limit. That means I want to display numbers from 1 to 10, and I also want to label even and odd. In front of even number I want to display even, and in front of odd number I want to display odd. 1, 2. This is our output. Now how I can achieve this output? Now you can see I'm accepting a number or a limit from the user. That means I need to create a variable which will hold the value of 10 in my program. So I will consider this variable as n. Now n will be going to store the value 10. Now you can see it's displaying numbers from 1 to 10. That means and with each and every number you can see I'm displaying odd, even, odd, even. So what I can do is I need to check each and every number and decide whether this first number is an even or odd by using the if condition. If n mod 2 is equals to 0, that means if this number successfully gets divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder, then I will consider this number as odd, otherwise even. Okay, this condition I need to check for each and every of these number. That means there is a same task which is checking whether a number is an even or odd. This one task I am repeating again and again for each and every number. That means whenever you are performing any specific task n number of times, then the best method is to use the loops, any of the loops, either it is for loop, while loop or do while loop. But here, since I already know that how long I need to perform that task, what is the limit for performing that task, that is 10 number of times I need to perform the task of checking whether the number is even or odd. So now the best looping construct will be for loop. What we can do is I will use for I equals to 1. I will start I value from 1 until it become less than or equals to 10, and I will increment the value of I by 1. For each value of I from 1 to 10, I will check this condition. If I mod 2 is equals to 0, then print even, else print odd. Okay. Now this is our main logic. I will start with the initial value 1, and I will check whether the value of 1 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, condition gets satisfied. So this is the first, this is second, this body executed third, then fourth is the increment part. First the value gets initialized to 1, and that 1 gets compared with the value of 10, whether 1 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, condition true. When the condition becomes true, then control will come inside the for loop to check whether 1 mod 2 is equals to 0. No, we will get the remainder in this operation. So that's why if block will not get executed, else block will get executed. Similarly, then control will come to fourth part where the value of I gets incremented by 1. Now I becomes 2. So for the value of 2, that means I am checking this number. 2 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, condition true. Control will come inside the for loop to check this condition. 2 mod 2 is equals to 0. Yes, condition satisfied. 2 completely gets divisible by 2 without leaving any remainder. So we will get even here. Again, this fourth part gets executed where the value of I gets incremented by 1. Now the value of I becomes 3. We are checking this number, whether this number is even or odd. So I will check 3 mod 2. We will get the remainder. That means if block will not executed, else block will get executed. Like this, with each and every iteration, the value of I gets incremented 1 until the value of I becomes 10. Now when the value of I becomes 10, we will check here. 10 is less than or equals to 10. Yes, condition satisfied. Control will come inside the if block, where we will check 10 mod 2. Yes, 10 completely gets divided by 2 without leaving any remainder. So if block gets executed, we will get even here. And again, I gets incremented by 1. Now I value becomes 11. For the value of I equals to 11, we will check this condition. 11 is less than or equals to 10. No, condition didn't get satisfied. That's why, since this condition itself didn't get satisfied, then control will come outside the for loop to print these numbers. Okay, so this is how this logic works. So now let me use this logic in our C program. Clear screen, and then we will declare variable n. Okay, next, yes, we want to declare one more I also. So I will display this message first, enter the limit. So to display the message, I will use the output function printf. Then I will read that input from the keyboard using the input function scanf n. Now I will start this for loop. For I is equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 10. I will take the value of variable n only. I plus if I mod 2 is equals to 0, then printf. I want to display the output in this form, where I also want to display the number along with this label. So I will just use the format specifier %d is e1 comma I, because this is the value of I, and I need to print that value of I along with this label. Else, then bracket closed, return 0, and then curly bracket close. So this is how we can write a C program to print even and odd numbers along with the label. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.